If you've ever wished you could live forever, you're not alone. Humans have been chasing immortality since we realized we die. We've tried potions, cryogenic chambers, uploading our brains to the cloud, though let's be honest, half of us can't even remember our cloud password. But out in the wild, there are actual creatures that have figured out how to pretty much dodge death altogether. Let's start with the Hydra, the tiny freshwater creature that looks like a stringy blob with tentacles. It doesn't age at all. Biologists call it biologically immortal, which basically means that unless it gets eaten, squashed, or has a really bad day in a polluted pond, it could just keep on living forever. What's the secret here? Well, due to constant regeneration. The Hydra's cells are basically on a non-stop youth juice cleanse, renewing themselves before anything goes old or wrinkly. Then there's the Turritopsis dohrnii, more dramatically known as the Immortal jellyfish. This jellyfish can actually reverse its aging process. When stressed, it turns its old cells back into young ones and starts its life cycle all over again. It's like if a stressed-out human just turned into a baby. Science calls this transdifferentiation. I call it a hard reset. And these ageless animals don't have big brains, complex organs. That's the thing. The simpler the body, the easier it is to stay young. Which is sort of ironic because the more advanced life got, the more it seemed to accept aging as a package deal. See, humans are made up of tons of specialized cells. Your heart cells aren't like your skin cells, which aren't like your brain cells. So when stuff breaks down, it's harder to replace. We basically trade immortality for complexity. In the end, maybe aging isn't a flaw. Maybe it's the cost of being complicated, thoughtful, emotional, and mortal creatures. So the next time you wish you could live forever, just remember, there's a jellyfish out there that technically can. But it will never know the joy of a really good cup of coffee, which, if we're honest, might actually make us the lucky ones.